sing, make another hit.
This ain't what you want.
Project
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. 1600 block. I just wanna rock. I just wanna I just wanna rock. Body out of ya. Shorty got that body out of ya. Hit it once, no time. Side up, fuck, you gon' kill my vibe. Stand on my money, don't know my size. Pick them sides, and you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. That's my high. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Hit it. Fuck you, I'll kill my vibe. This ain't what you want, what you want. This ain't what you want, what you want. I just wanna rock.
This the kind of beat that go ratata, ratata, ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. This the kind of beat that go ratata, ratata, ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. DJ Spillis, we beat the realest team on the list. Watch out, I kill it, watch out, I spit it on the mic, feel it. Y'all can't do what I do, just admit it. I'm about to get it, money, money, get it. Drop it to the floor, shake my big bitties, bopping like did it. My face look pretty, y'all ain't doing shit new, I done did it. Cause I'm marvelous, fantabulous, a bad chick. The flow sick like oh shit, you know this, I'm too fit to ever quit. Knocking these fools out like pool sticks. Quincy Elliott, that's who I are. Back it up, can't say I'm it. Super duper fly, hee ha. Why do people want you put your hands up? Put your hands up, put your hands up, put your hands up, why do people put your hands up? Hands up, This the kind of beat to go ratata.
It's the kind of beat to go ratata.
This the kind of beat to go ratata. This the kind of beat to go ratata. This the kind of beat to go ratata. Square rigs.
It's Missy E and DJ Square Rigs.